Hi everyone, my name is Komal and I am going to present on servant leadership and its effects. At the end of this presentation, you will be able to know what is leadership, what is servant leadership, effects of servant leadership on organization and employees, positive impact of servant leadership on both. So, what is leadership? Leadership refers to influence and help people to become their best selves, building their skills and achieving goals. So, we can say that it is an ability to influence others in pursuing their goals. Leaders help others to get best out of others and help in fulfillment of their goals. An organization needs both management as well as leaders to achieve its goals. So we can say that the managers and leaders go side by side with the employees to achieve the organizational goals. Both have their own roles to play in an organization. So there are several types of leaders, but I'm going to focus on servant leadership. Servant leadership refers to that leadership in which the leader focuses on the growth of its followers rather than focusing on their own self-interest. So we can say that the leader focuses on the growth of its employees. They do focus on their personal growth, but they prioritize their employees to grow much more better. In servant leadership, the mind of the leader is in servant mode, which makes them more empathetic towards the employees or their followers. Servant leaders always prioritize their employees, which makes them feel more concerned. So, in whenever the employees feel more concerned, there is a building of more trust between the leaders and employees. Servant leaders use their self-efficacy to achieve the commitment of the upper level of management. So, whatever managers want from servant leaders, they use their self-efficacy and emotional intelligence to achieve that goal. They have emotional intelligence which makes others to follow the same path to achieve the goals. There are several effects of servant leaders. In any organization, there might be several goals, but in some of the organization, there is an issue of relationship as they don't have any good or improved relation between their members or between the upper level of management and employees. So servant leader acts as a guider. They guides employees that what their employer wants from them, which makes them creating understanding between the employees and employer, which helps to improve relation between the members. They encourage the employees to work as a whole. They encourage the employees to work in a team. Besides this, the servant leaders pay more attention towards the need of the employees, which leads to build trust of the employee towards the employer. They prioritize their employees and try to understand that what they need in order to achieve their goals. Therefore, a sense of involvement and collective efforts may lead to improved relation within the organization. If an employee work in collectively with their team members, they may have improved relation within the organization. It is the job of every leader to connect the employees with their goal or purpose. So servant leader increase the engagement of the employees by respecting their ideas and opinions. They focus more on feedback of the employee. They focus the ideas which the employee have and they try to implement those ideas in an organization. So by implementing those ideas, the employees feel more connected to the job and their engagement in the work increases. Therefore, servant leader may increase the employee engagement by means of strong communication. Positive communication encourages the employees to bring themselves at the work. If an employee will have a positive communication between them and the employer, they will have a good understandability between them, which will engage themselves more at the work and their commitment to the work increases. Moreover, besides this, a servant leader explores potential people by helping them knowing their goal and its achievement. In an organization, a servant leader can develop the passion of the employees by putting right people into right place, as the employees tend to work better in which they are interested or in which they have expertise. Besides this, by providing proper feedback and using rewarding techniques, a servant leader can help the employee to unlock their passion and develop their interest in which they are good at. Servant leaders provide proper feedback to the employees about the work which they have done good and by rewarding them. So, by using these techniques, a servant leader explore potential people and help them fulfillment of their goals. Moreover, maximizing the profits should not be the ultimate goal of the business, as satisfaction should be meant to the business by means of satisfaction of the employees, as it should be the first priority of any business to satisfy its employees, as it helps in maintaining a positive environment at the workplace. Servant leader increases the satisfaction of the employees by considering them first at the work. They prioritize the employees by considering them their needs and by having a good understandability between them. It leads to motivate the employees internally. Whenever the workers have internal motivation, they will be fully committed to the task, which will lead to more achievement of the goal. Besides this, if the employees are fully committed to their work, it will give relief to their employer, as the employer need not to supervise the task at every moment, because he knows that the employees are motivated to their work and they will do their task at their best. Moreover, the foremost duty of a servant leader is to serve the people as they are in servant mode. They give priority to their employees to go ahead and grab the opportunity in order to grow. Servant leaders serve their managers by bringing the expected outcome, and they serve their employees or their followers to achieve their goal by showing a care for them. So these are the positive impacts of a servant leader on organization and employees. Thank you.